So, we're in Dave's room.
Hey, why did you leave, Caden?
Because I'm not being a part of this.
Something's about to go down here.
Bro, you don't even want to hit me with that pillow, so don't want to do it.
So dramatic.
Quit grabbing my fingers like that. That hurts. Oh, my fingers! Oh, you're grabbing one finger. It's killing me, dude. You're grabbing my fingers.
I love the fact that someone in their office can see all this right now. He's picking him up. He's got him. Use that cord.
Don't slam everything. Alright. I'm good.
Oh.
Whoa, this is really good.
Would you let your kids watch this,
I
Dave?
will never let my kids watch this. Look at this.
You better stop talking and start eating. Mama.
Are you traumatized, Dave? Caden, how's the cheeseburger?
We're good. We're good.
You can do amazing things. Isn't that right, DJ?
Yes.
Look how many amazing things you can do. Passion 2019.
You can also live, laugh, and love. Look how many things you can live, laugh, and love about.
Oh, this is my first night taking notes, and it's the last night.
Yeah, all you did was
Caden.
write 2 words, so you didn't really take notes.
Don't guilt trap me, DJ.
That's
You
bad
can do
word.
amazing things.
Yeah, you haven't done amazing things.
Oh, thanks. Hey, look, there's Ty. Hey, Ty. Ty. Hey. It's Ty.
That's me. Hi, Car.
Nice Patagonia hat. Never seen that one before.
Ever. End it, Karsten.
End it. We're leaving at 4:59. We are a minute ahead of schedule. Haley's leading the way. We are determined. Sing it, Dave.
In the name of Jesus, there is power. Power in His name. That's all for right now.
What'd you say, Haley?
I said you sound terrible. Worse than nails on a chalkboard. Oh my God. We're trying to glorify the name of Jesus, not tear it apart.
So, random question, everyone. Why do you think everything is dead around the Catholic Church?
Because they're all slightly dead inside.
Okay. Man,
It's just showing it on the outside.
all right. Anything else?
That's it. No comment.
The bells of DC. Bye, Adam.
It's 4 o'clock, guys.
Go. We love running for our lives in DC. It's so fun. Dave,
Bro,
what's going on?
This girl is beautiful. Look
How
at this
beautiful?
girl. Bro, she is thick. Look at that thing. Look at that girl. Holy night.
Holy crap. That's a good fish right there.
Holy night, dude. That's the kind of woman I need.
A fish?
Yeah, dude.
One thing about DC I've noticed, everywhere you look, there's office buildings. And someone's office right above you.
Now go hit that dummy. Let's go. Moving for you, Tyler.
We're here at the wharf, going in for the last night of Passion.
This fool right here is shortcism. Shortcism.
What is that?
He thinks that I don't matter. Short lives matter.
Shortses.
I'll tell you what matters.
What?
The End It movement.
He thinks he can just
End
be
it.
the big king in the world and just.
You can draw like a
He thinks that
a
I'm
red.
just.
I'll put it on there.
You'll put it on there later? Okay.
Dave's being social. What a good day.
It's Lucy.
So we're day 2 of Passion, the full day here at the conference. Everyone's totally excited. What's going on?
Look, he's abusing me on camera.
There's lots of fun stuff happening here at Passion. I have a cameo, not an exception. Hey Ty,
Hey, Car.
thoughts so far?
What'd you think of Chad?
Whatever you run to, you trust. I do not trust in this substance. I do not trust in this bottle. I do not trust in this person. I will not get my fix from social media. I don't trust these things. I trust God. I cannot get temporary fixes for what I need everlasting solution.
I love Chad. Chad's the best.
Whoa, the Lord is the best.
DJ, thoughts on Passion so far?
Freaking amazing, dude.
Yeah, dude.
I'm tired.
The announcement. I'm leaving at 8:30 tomorrow. I have to be at the airport super early, so I probably won't see many of you that early in the morning.
I'm gonna miss you, Karsten.
Or if I get choked
Get him,
out.
Adam. Get him.
Oh no, there he comes. There he comes.